Hi friends, welcome back to another episode trading with xhaka. Today's episode will be over Fair Value Gap. I will review to you other useful of Fair Value Gap that is not meant only for entry, because that's most of you look for when you see Fair Value Gap. It doesn't end there. It can be used to determine your bias. Reason why I have to apologize is because I'm now a father. My wife gave birth to a baby boy 18th of January 2024, and I'm thinking to name him ICT Consult. For that reason, I do appreciate if this video hits 100 like, at least 100 like. I do appreciate that. I like to read a comment because this bias helps you to build your confidence. For me, I hold trades sometimes 2 days, 3 days, because whenever I look into my bias, I understand that I'm still in the right corner to hold this trade. When you learning this concept using Fair Value Gap to determine your bias, daily bias and the trading bias will be a game-changing opportunity for you. So stay tuned to the end. Let's discuss about this, and whether you're ICT trader, essential trader, price action trader, this is a valuable content for you to watch. So I make it sound simple because I need to build my baby. So this time for a fatherhood. So no one thing we look for. Let me draw out Fair Value Gap. If you don't know how to pick a Fair Value Gap, I have a separate video about how to pick it. If you want to learn about Fair Value Gap, it's just 3 very short bullish candle moving down drastically. That shows abnormal movement of price. So whenever you find this in your chart, price do retest back to this zone, feel the imbalance. What I will be talking about today, looking at the Fair Value Gap, the open, it is a bearish Fair Value Gap. The open should be at the bottom. So you draw the line, this is the open of this Fair Value Gap. This is the bottom of it. We need 3 things to consider here. We need the open, the midpoint, and the field. Above is the open, which is the bearish Fair Value Gap. If it is bullish, it should be starts from the bottom. So this is the bottom of this bearish gap, bearish Fair Value Gap. This one is what is the field. So on the top of this candle, we extend it. So that's the perfect way to draw your, it should be this week. This week should be there. Take note. Now we determine our midpoint by using Fibonacci extension tool. So go to your indicator. If you don't have it, I'll show you the settings. Fibonacci extension tool, take it off from this open to the field. So this is the field. The settings is just 0, 0, 0.5 and 1. So the setting, go to your indicator, guys, your Fibonacci retracement tools. So you just need 0, 1 and 0.5. So how do we use this? For you knowing about this without having a rule that will govern this is useless and waste of time. You understand? So I want to make this video to be short. What are we looking for here? We're looking for the price. Whenever price created a Fair Value Gap, so many occasions price will go back to the zone to fill this gap. That's an imbalance in the market because this movement is abnormal. So price definitely gonna go back here to tap into this Fair Value Gap. Once price move into this Fair Value Gap, what are we looking for when price retests the Fair Value Gap? When we're looking for higher determination, want to see the next candle react to this zone, this field, and this midpoint. Once price react to this zone, retesting this zone without closing beyond this midpoint, this is the midpoint, we anticipate that the next day that we're having bearish movement, that the bearish movement got to continue. You understand? It doesn't matter how the price, it may have a week, it may have a long week reacting to these very zones or long day. What matters is the closure of the day. Once the price goes beyond this midpoint, this 0.5, we're anticipating that the next day price will continue going down. The same thing applicable to bullish bias. Some people will be wondering, what if should I be looking for this all time? You should not be looking for this all time. We are traders and we need to be dynamic. So we follow what the market gives to us all time. If the price invaded this Fair Value, let's take for instance, price closed beyond this midpoint, you will be looking for this zone is still valid for us. The only thing you need to do is to extend your Fibonacci extension to just extend it. Then you're looking for next candle for the day, maybe next tomorrow or next 2-3 days after it. If the next candle closes beyond this midpoint, you'll be anticipating that the price have onto bullish momentum. Is that clear? So after this invasion, This is the inversion candle. The next candle should be your determination candle. So if you close beyond this midpoint, this is our midpoint. So if you close beyond this midpoint, let's take for instance this week reacted to this midpoint. We're anticipating that the next day price will continue bullish. So let me change the color. So do you understand? So that's how to determine your bias for the day. But once you have it, you continue riding the trend. You understand? So let me give you just two examples. Remember, this video is all about daily bias. I'm not going to give examples. So next video I'll give you will determine daily bias and show you my entry techniques. Whether you're price action trader or SMC trader, CT, this is very important video to add into your trading career. So let me give you a quick example. So let's look at this example. We spot a very nice good Fair Value Gap. This is a daily candle. This chart is a daily candle. So here is our Fair Value Gap. And once you spot this in your chart, you draw out your Fibonacci extension tools. I take out mine. This is your open. Here is your button. You take it. This is your open. Take it to the field. Above is your field. The midpoint is here. If the price comes back to this zone, you know, most price is gonna come back to retest the Fair Value Gap. If it doesn't close beyond this midpoint, we're anticipating that the price will continue to go high. That's what we discussed on the little illustration diagram I showed. So let's see what happened. Beautiful. See, the next candle close here. Price react doesn't close below this midpoint. So we're anticipating that the next day price will continue to do what? To go up. Anticipation for the next day price will continue to go up to fill this clean candle zone. This is called low traffic zone. So whenever you spot this, it's very nice move. So now next day I'm looking for buy, definitely. So let's see what happens. Let's say we have winning day. Our first day we win. Next day we win the next up day. So let's see what happens. Next day we win. Next day we win. This is the only losing day we have. You understand? So now we have how many days winning? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 days winning our trade. So that's how to do it. What if we have inversion? So let me show you the example of inversion. So this is a very good, nice Fair Value Gap. We can use this and we can also use this. We have 2 Fair Value Gap. Yeah, it doesn't matter. What matters is the closure of the daily candle. So let's see what happened. Anyone that uses beautiful. Okay, now let's put our extension tools. Just sorry for not putting out the extension. Okay, here. Next day, the price closed beyond this midpoint, which is 0.5, and we are looking for buy. But what happened first? So we lose the trade. This is inversion. You understand? So this is the inversion. What we'll be looking for, price to come back to this zone, react to this zone, this favor. We extend our Fibonacci extension. If price reacted to this zone now, next day we'll be looking for our sell opportunities. So let's see what happened. Okay, beautiful. Let's price tap into the zone. See what happened. Beautiful. So here price have reacted into those FVGs. We have winning days 1, 2, 3. The only losing day we have is here. The other one, we tap into this FVG again. We are anticipating that the price will continue to go down. Beautiful. Beautiful. So now we have losing day today. This is another winning day, another winning day, another winning day. Till we have new Fair Value Gap or inversion on the average to change our thinking. So that's how to determine your daily. This is clear. My next video should be on how, if we determine bias, I'll show you my entry techniques. For those of you who are price action traders, you need this. SMC trader, you need this. ICT traders, you know, this is very important to you. We struggle a lot on determining our bias because of wrong information people are giving us out there. Thank you. See you next video where we determine our bias and show our entry techniques that I personally use. So I use every techniques. I trade price action, trade SMC, I trade ICT. That's how I survive in this industry. See you soon. Peace.